Hi everyone. Hi my friends, my family, my heartfelt supporters, and anyone who is new to my channel. Welcome to Ta-Neeka's Gym. In today's video, we'll be looking at the amazing benefits of green juice. Now, green juice for me is green juice, but some people refer to it as vegetable juice. For the purpose of this video, we will say green juice. Now, there are a lot of benefits from drinking green juice. Green juice is like a bottle of vitamin B12. It also helps to reduce fat and it improves your immunity. So it helps you to fight off, or give you that defense against even the common cold. And when you eat all those fries and all those burgers, all those junk food, that just by drinking green juice, it helps to burn the bad fat from out of your stomach. So that's how amazing green juice is. Now, for the purpose of this video, we'll be looking at 4 key ingredients. These include 4 stalks of celery, a big yellow lemon, 1 root ginger, 1 root of ginger, and 8 leaves of kale. Now, we have already washed our vegetables, so here we'll proceed to remove the bad looking ends from our celery. And then we will dice up our celery so that it does not add any pressure to our blender. Now, celery is full of vitamin A, C, K. It helps with eyes and heart health, and it is great for the skin. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I've been drinking celery for so many years, and trust me, it is so good for your body. Another thing too with celery is that it helps to lower blood pressure. I don't know, but celery or green juice in a bottle just reminds me of getting some good gas for your car. It makes your car perform so great. So when you drink the green juice, it gives you that same level of performance. Next ingredient is the lemon. Now, some people will just cut up the lemon with the skin. I don't like to use the skin, so I'll remove it and I'll just keep the white part, which is called pectin, and it's high in fiber. Lemon has 51% of vitamin C. It has folic acid, vitamins B and C, and it prevents kidney stone. It also reduces heart disease and it leaves your kitchen smelling so amazing. So here I've diced it all up. I proceed with my ginger. Oh, the amazing benefits of ginger. It helps with digestion. It's great for your stomach. And it provides antioxidants that remove stress from your body. Who does not want to have stress removed on a daily basis from your body? Let me clean up in the meanwhile, right? Now, we have celery, lemon, and ginger on the table. Let's go ahead and put these in a bowl so that we can get the space for the next amazing ingredient, which we have listed. Nice, so we'll put that away. Now, coming up is our kale. Now, I'm using 8 stalks of kale. Kale is enriched in vitamin C and K. It has lots of fiber. It has calcium and iron. So, for people who don't necessarily like to drink the cow's milk, hey, kale is good with calcium. Now, another thing too with kale is that you can even eat it as a salad. For me, I prefer to drench it with olive oil so that it's more palatable, right? In other words, it tastes nicer when you put a little olive oil on it and you cut up your tomatoes. But let me not digress too much. Let's stick with the green juice for today, right? Okay. All right. So now that we have all our ingredients all our ingredients in our bowl, let us take out our blender. Now, I'll be using a Ninja Chef today, and I'm not being paid by Ninja Chef, but I'm going to say that this is one of the best blenders I've ever used so far. So I'm going to compact it with all my ingredients. You have people who might want to put their water first and then put in the vegetables, but you know what? I prefer to put my vegetables in first and then with the water, so as not to overflow, not to have any overflowing of water in my area. As I mentioned water, I'll be using 6 cups of distilled water. Now, you don't have to use distilled water. You can use purified water. You can use any form of purified water like spring water, or even boil your water, let it cool and just strain it and use it. But I definitely do not recommend using chlorinated water. So here I'm going in with 6 cups of water. I add my lid. Lid is giving me a little trouble today. And then I'll extract. So of course I'm not blending, I'm extracting. I choose the extract mode, and that's going to be for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Once it's finished extracting, you see everything is now liquefied. So you have all of my lovely ingredients. Before pouring them into my 6 bottles, I'm going to be blending. Now you have people who like a little pulp, such as myself, and so I'll only strain it once. If you prefer not to taste all that pulp, then you can strain it again, and you can see that the pulp can even be blended one more time to probably give you 1 more bottle of juice. I'll then proceed to pour this liquid into my bottles, and here I have a fresh batch of green juice for the week. Now it looks so amazing, right? So having poured all my green juice, voila, this is the final ingredient, the final touch. This is the final product. This is my end product. Now, a lot of people will drink their green juice at different times throughout the day, or maybe just 1 bottle a day. But for me, I recommend drinking green juice 2 times a day. So I'll take 1 bottle as my first snack, and then I'll finish off my day with 1 more bottle. So while I sleep, the magic begins. Now, I hope that you enjoyed my video. There might be someone who you know that would benefit from hearing such a video. Feel free to share my video. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about my video. So like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because that's the only way you'll know when I've dropped a new video or uploaded a new video giving you some great tips from my kitchen. Remember, keep healthy. Your health is your wealth, and positive vibrations.